Hi, I'm April Joseph. I'm a poet performer, and throughout May, I'll be facilitating an online art making workshop called Translation Echo of a Body, presented by Collective.aporia. In Translation Echo of a Body, we'll explore our inner and outer environment and translate that experience to the page, stage, canvas, or whatever your preferred medium. I look forward to guiding you through bodyful experiments, and you'll have the opportunity to connect and collaborate with other creatives in an online community. Registration closes April 30th, so if you're searching for a space to process your experience on Earth, I hope you'll sign up and join us.